Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection. I ordered mine from Beautylish, so if you want to see me unbox this whole collection, then just keep watching. So the first bag I grabbed, I'm pretty sure has the makeup bag that I got in it. That is so neon. Beautylish packages stuff so well. I always order Jeffree Star off of Beautylish because their shipping is way faster than his website. Plus, if you live in Canada like me, you pay duties up front, so you don't have to pay like $50 extra. So as you guys can see, I bought the $30 US green neon makeup bag. Wow, this looks freaking amazing. I don't know if that'll pick up on camera just how neon it is, but it is absolutely stunning. It is this beautiful matte. It's actually a very decent size. So the next bag I think will have the eyeshadow palette bundle, so it'll have Jawbreaker and Mini Breaker. If you guys are wondering what's going on with my hair, I'm in between colors right now. So you guys are gonna just have to deal with this blonde mess for now. Yeah. I'm so excited for this order. I've been waiting forever, which no, I ordered on the Friday as soon as it launched, and they shipped on Wednesday. As you guys can see, they bubble wrap everything very well. So excited for these. This is the biggest makeup order I've ever made. I'm just so excited. I wish that the Mini Breaker packaging was this neon green. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that both palettes come with a mirror. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Wow. These colors are so much more pretty in person. This is a palette that I got mainly because of the discount. You saved 11 bucks if you got it in the bundle, so I decided why not, and I love purple colors, so I knew I needed this. The duplicate colors are Bubblegum and Bite Me. Those are also in the Jawbreaker palette, but the Mini Breaker palette is really pretty. Again, I do wish that it had this green packaging, because honestly I'm gonna keep the green packaging box just because it's green. Next, let's dive into the full-on Jawbreaker palette. I'm so excited for this. This is Jeffree's biggest palette yet. As you guys can see too, I'm not wearing any makeup. I just have a tinted lip balm and some gloss on because I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a pain day today, but I knew that I wanted to at least get an unboxing filmed as soon as I got it in the mail, and to take some product shots as well. I plan on filming with this probably tomorrow because I want to get some videos up for you guys. So this is the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. Like the boxes, like they're gorgeous. And then boom. It's gorgeous. Of course, it's pink, which is Jeffree's signature color. I wish that this would have been the white color, like Mini Breaker, and then Mini Breaker could have been like the chartreuse neon color. But this is still beautiful. It's huge, but I love that it's not bulky. One thing that I hate about Blood Sugar and Blue Blood is that they were both very bulky. They're beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I would much prefer packaging like this to be sleek, you know, be able to fit in all my makeup drawers and stuff like that instead of, you know, bulky. So I appreciate this. The packaging, it feels nice. The Jawbreaker is raised, which is really cool. So when you open it, it just looks like that. Oh my god, that is... There's some shadow on the screen because I guess there aren't any plastic covers anymore, which I can understand because plastic would just go straight to the ocean and shit, whatever. Wow. I'm really surprised at how vibrant and bright these are. The shade FUCK, I thought it would be more of like an orangey tone, but it's literally a true neon. I'm honestly so excited for this. Like, I can't even describe how excited I am for this. I definitely plan on doing like a first impression tutorial and then like maybe like 3 looks 1 palette with both the Jawbreaker and Mini Breaker. So if you guys want that, please let me know down below. Yeah, I'm very excited for this. For the first time ever, I ordered a clothing item. I ordered the tracksuit, the chartreuse one that they had on Beautylish because that was the only one they had. I was gonna get the orange one, but they didn't have it on Beautylish, so I ended up getting this one. I think that's what is in this one because it feels like clothing. Oh, that is so beautiful. So here's what it looks like in the crinkly packaging. I'm gonna put this on at the end of the video. I don't know what this is. It feels so uncomfortable with super blonde hair. I can't wait until I can dye it. So in that bag, we have the Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet and the 2 lip ammos that I purchased. I only got 2 of the lip ammos because they're all metallics and glittery, and I didn't really like the other shades. I so wish he would have done like a matte chartreuse in the lip ammo formula, but whatever. So the 2 lip ammo shades I got are Snow Cone and Yummy. I'm gonna be real, I got this for the packaging. As you guys can see, there's like almost like a scuff mark on the lipstick bottle, but it's fine, whatever. But this packaging is gorgeous. I literally had to make sure I got one just for the neon packaging. So let's open it. Wow, that is such a light neon. Like, that's actually really freaking surprising. I just thought it would be more. You know what? I'm gonna okay, it's like, so I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's like sheer. It's definitely like a sheer wash of color. It's beautiful, but sheer. Your shade is Yummy. This beautiful purple shade. These are just literally glitter toppers, which I'm down for. But again, I mainly got it because of the cute packaging. I don't think the lip ammos are a necessity. I'm so excited for the Supreme Frost. I've owned 2 Supreme Frost, but they were too dark. The money one and then the like blue-brown duochrome. So they were way too dark for my fair skin, but this one looks like it'll be light enough. So let's pray to God that it will be. I honestly, I wish that he would have just done the neon packaging with the Supreme Frost instead of not doing it. Like, obviously there had to have been some sort of like issue there because everything else is neon packaging and then you get this and it's just the normal one. I don't know, I don't like it because usually there's fingerprints and stuff. The shade is gorgeous though, so it makes up for it. And there is a neon sticker on the back with the name. It is beautiful and it has a magnetic closure, which is nice. So that is Diamond Wet. I'm so excited to try this. I think all that's left now for the Jawbreaker collection is the liquid lipsticks and the lip scrub. I did order 2 extra products, which I will talk about at the end. And I'm gonna assume all the liquid lipsticks are in this bag. I'm gonna do a full lip swatches video with all these colors, so don't you worry. The reason why I got the bundle is because I wanted basically every shade except for Bronze Blood, and it just made more sense to get the full bundle because you saved money. And if I don't like Bronze Blood, I can end up just giving it to a friend or something like that. This is the packaging of them. It is so, hold on. It is stunning. I love the neon green packaging. So gorgeous. I'll be doing a full in-depth video on these, so I'm not going to take them out of the packaging just yet. I will link all the videos that I have done down below. Lastly, we have the Velour Liquid Lip Scrub in Lemon Sucker. I decided on getting Lemon Sucker because I'm a sucker for the packaging. I only have the Root Beer Lip Scrub and I've had that for years, honestly. and I decided that because I love the packagings that I would get Lemon Sucker. The packaging is gorgeous. That smells really good. I'm definitely gonna do a review video for this as well. That honestly smells so good. So that's what Lemon Sucker looks like. I gotta take some photos before I try it, but it smells really, really good. So that is it for the Jawbreaker collection, but I do want to talk about the two other products I picked up. I picked up the Liquid Frost and Ice Cream Bling because I wanted to see if it was light enough for my skin tone. And I also got Gloss in Sequin Glass because that was like the purpley shade. So this is the packaging. So yeah, I got Sequin Glass. I'll be doing a swatch and review video on that. And as for Ice Cream Bling, I love this frosted packaging. I think it is stunning. Apparently how you're supposed to use this is you open it, pump, and then you... Wow. I don't know if you guys can even like see that, but that is like the most beautiful gold with like a hint of like blue and green to it. That is stunning. Like it's a literally gold and then you get like that bam effect of a little bit of green. So this is what the sweater looks like zipped up all the way. It is the tiniest bit tight on me, but I got the size XL and I probably should have gotten a 2XL, but it is comfortable and I really like it. It's actually really, really comfortable and it's lightweight and I just love the color. So I'll definitely be wearing this like a ton. I would personally like wear it unzipped a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel, and go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO. See you in the next one. Bye.